Welcome family and friends to Pagans Beauty. I hope you enjoy this video. I have also tagged all the products that you might need in the video. This most likely looks harder than what it is, but it's so simple. Just keep on trying if you can't do it the first time. Practice makes perfection. Friends and family, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and at the end of the video give me a like and comment your favorite part. And thank you always so much for watching my videos and giving me 1000% support. Bye.